How to fix AliExpress payment issue. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix AliExpress payment issue. Alright, to fix AliExpress payment issue can be done on the PC, as well as on the mobile app. Now, for you to do it on the PC, first thing to do is to log in into your AliExpress account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged into your AliExpress account, you would navigate through the your account. That is your account settings located by the top right corner of the screen. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the accounts page. All right, on this page, by the left side, yes, you see a menu displaying overview, orders, payments, refund and return, feedback, settings, shipping address, message center, invite friends, help center. Yes, help center. Just go ahead and click on help center. Once you click on help center, you'll be directed to the help centers page. On this page, you'll see a number of articles displaying similar issues or issues that you might have. Okay, then if you realize that you do not see your answer here, just scroll down and then come over here and click on chat now. By clicking on chat now, you'll be directed to the page where you will chat directly with the online customer service. Now, this online customer service, or what you will do is to just state out your issues, your problem, the problem you are facing concerning your payment on AliExpress. Just state your problem, and from there you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can fix AliExpress payment issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.